Here we are. This is March 29th, 2022, and we're visiting the Cottonwood Park in Richardson, Texas. And this is north of Dallas. It's 421 acres of woodlands and natural habitat. They don't go north either in the summer. They just stay here all the time. The wood bridge allows you to cross over what used to be the town's first creek bed. Now this is a very large park, but it extends out a great distance and goes a considerable length along the creek. Now since this is March, we're here in the very early spring, but the weather here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area is very mild all winter. Sure, you can get a hard freeze or maybe even some snow, but most days can be in the 60s and 70s. Now, since this is such a large park, there can be a lot of people here, and it doesn't really appear that there's anyone here. And here we have the series of ponds, and you can see the overflow from the storm runoff. These ponds act as surge ponds for the neighborhood. Here we go, nice concrete path. And also here, this acts as the breach for the dam here, so excessive water can just flow over the concrete. Now it can rain here in Dallas, Texas, and we do have somewhat of a rainy season and often fierce thunderstorms in the summer months. So as the spring progresses, the grass is going to get greener. And there off in the distance, we see some of the local residents of the pond. There's the symbol for Richardson, Texas. And here we see, I guess, the running path, walking path, bicycle path. Now, the greater Dallas-Fort Worth area, especially North Dallas here in Plano and Richardson, they do have a fairly elaborate, long bicycle path network or highway. So if you're interested in riding a bicycle for a long distance, oh, now here they are. Here are those Muscovy ducks. They're the local residents. Quite friendly, hoping you're going to feed them. Certainly a beautiful, unusual bird. Is it a goose or is it a duck?